Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel.
We are the buddies of Youth Brigade,
This is Sheetal.
and I am Anamika, and we're extremely glad that you all could be a part of it.
Aren't you all wondering कि ये सब क्या है? Behind the walls of a newspaper office? क्या हो सकता है? And also, what's so new about a newspaper office? Sounds a bit boring, right? But wait. They say don't judge a book by its cover, so hold on for a few more minutes. So, we and some of our fellow mates decided to explore even the minute details of the daily happenings in our society.
अब न्यूज़पेपर तो सभी के घर पे आता है. Now let it be seen sides of a newspaper that comes daily at your home, or to the office which decides what information you have to consume today. As the name of our channel says, we're a small group of people, and we look forward to give you a virtual tour of behind the wall scenes and the struggle stories of our foot soldiers. Surely not Ananya Pandey's struggle. So in the next few minutes, let's think rationally. We humans are social animals. We need to talk to people. So I'm sure we must have heard people say that if you don't read a newspaper, you're uninformed. But if you do, then you're updated. I have few questions for you. हम ऐसे ही क्यों blindly trust कर लेते जो न्यूज़पेपर में आता है? Like what if we are misinformed through newspapers? What if the news is biased? I mean, why are we trusting those people जिनको हम जानते भी नहीं?
To find answers to such questions that might not be popping out of your heads, we decided to visit one of the most renowned newspaper offices situated in Pune.
So the newspaper that we will be talking about is a popular daily one. So daily as in it will come at your home every day. Like not even they don't even have holidays on weekend. It will come every day. It is printed in 3 centers and is distributed in several districts. It is a leading newspaper in the western Maharashtra and has more than 40 lakh readers. It comes with a big responsibility.
So, after getting an appointment there with a senior reporter, having an experience of nearly 20 years in the newspaper office, we were invited to have a visit at 5 in the evening. Pretty strange to hear, isn't it? So, here comes a fact. Usually, offices work from 9 to 5, whereas newspaper offices work from 5 to 9. 5 in the evening till 9 in the morning. This is because the journalists have to do on-ground reporting for the whole day. They collect news stories and then they make news out of it, which can be presented in the newspaper the next day.
So firstly, we entered the department through the downstairs. And what we saw there was exceptionally unusual. I mean, like, usually when you go to an office, you see people frustrated sitting on their desks. But here it was something completely different.
Taking a peek at their work, we met several journalists representing different departments, or say beats of a news in journalist language.
Every person present there was representing a different department. Let it be from the Department of Online and Web, Education Department, Agricultural Department, Marketing Department, and Transportation, Health and Business, Defense, Court, Sports, and oh my god, so many more.
So, after interacting with some of the news reporters there, we got to know that the media professionals and the journalists cannot procrastinate like us. Like, आज नहीं हुआ तो कल हो जाएगा. But no, they cannot do this. And as I said earlier, they have to do on-ground reporting for the whole day, have to collect news stories, which will be published in the newspaper the very next day. Also, we got familiarized with the fact that the media industry is working non-stop and is working for 24 hours continuously, and the media professionals and the journalists, they do not have a time-bound work as us.
We can take today's example. अभी during this pandemic, during this nationwide lockdown, हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि बाहर क्या हो रहा है? Journalists are still working out, even in these emergency situations. So it's extremely risky for them, but still they do it for us. They need to work by hook or crook.
Also, it was fun to see how a junior journalist took advantage of technology so greatly. What she did is to jot down the points that she had noted down for writing the news story, she used voice notes. This also helped her in writing down the news story. This explains us how technology plays a vital role in media industry.
So when we entered there on the second floor, we saw people using softwares like Photoshop, InDesign and CorelDRAW. So after asking them like why are they using these softwares, we got to know that they use it to organize the newspaper's layout. Let it be from adding mugshots or photos of people that we see every day through newspapers, or let it be adding stories column wise, a specific font, color and text to the news that we read every day.
So later we got engaged into an edifying conversation with the sub-editor. The conversation was about the future of print media, to be specific, newspapers. Of course, we went to a newspaper office. We'll be talking about newspapers only. So before telling you what I witnessed there, let me all ask you a question. Do you all read newspapers?
I'm 100% sure that before this visit I would have said that मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि मैं वो बड़ा सा बोरिंग न्यूज़पेपर पढूं. उससे अच्छा तो मुझे न्यूज़ अपने मीम से ही मिल जाए. You know the latest meme culture that we are going through. I'm sure most of the viewers must also be thinking कि हाँ न्यूज़पेपर से कौन न्यूज़ देखता है या मिलता है. Memes है ना, memes से मिल ही जाएगा न्यूज़. But then getting back to what we heard from the sub-editor, surely astonished ma'am. I remember asking him a question to which he gave a remarkable answer. So the question was that in this era where we can get news anytime, anywhere, in a cheaper and a faster manner, so will print medium or like any newspaper, magazine, will it survive in the coming future?
To which he answered that people still trust newspapers more than any other medium. There still exists a bond that people share with newspapers. Of course, its way of reaching out to people may change. For example, the e-papers that are available nowadays online, but the newspapers will stay longer. And after this, Anamika got convinced to read newspapers, and Sir's motivational words inspired her to read newspapers daily. And this is also important because there are so many efforts involved just to get printed every single news on the paper.
Yes, you heard it right. So now I do read that newspaper and I would like to recommend it to you guys also. So next, the most awaited meet was the meet with the chief editor of the newspaper. I must say, he is a visionary man. He has an experience of more than 45 years. That's a lot. Other than that, he has also worked for newspapers like Maharashtra Times, Lok Satta and Kesari. And the interesting fact was that he has also done the setup process for the newspaper Prahar. He's a visionary man.
So, not wasting much of his time, we asked him a question that how to handle the work pressure. So, to which he answered, the key to manage work is communication. Like being constantly in touch with the various departments, your colleague, your various news sources and printing press, and also being updated is what helps.
Well, he also gave us a tip. So the tip was that if you want to become a journalist or you want to join this media industry, you all should be updated and alert every time, ready for work anytime and anywhere. Also, you should only give priority to your work because you never know when does your duty call.
Other than all of this, we also got to know about the role of advertising department, also the way people invest their money in advertising their products and services. Also, we got to know about different ways through which the newspaper publishers earn and make money.
So another fact that I came across was that mostly where the news is drafted, the printing process of that news is not the same. Let me simplify. So, for example, the newspaper is drafted here. So the printing will take place at some other place. So here again, technology plays an important role in sending news from one place to another. So also before deciding the printing material of the newspaper, there is a meeting held called as a newsroom meeting. So here all the prominent people decide which news shall be given the priority, as in which news shall be on the first page and then according to their views. Here journalists are also given a chance to debate on their news stories so as to have a good space in the newspaper.
So, in the beginning, we began talking about thinking rationally, but what have we come to now?
Well, in the following video, you all saw a whole big process. Let it be from collecting a news, creating various drafts, remedial practices being done, verification of the sources, and then all the technical work, and then to lastly put them in the newspaper. With so many prominent personalities involved and such a big process, I'm sure we've got all our answers to the questions.
So, someone said it truly, if you don't read newspapers, you are uninformed, but if you do, you are updated. Think twice. So, that comes up to a wrap, and more such amazing videos are coming soon. They are on the way, which will blow your minds away. And with that, we would like to say goodbye. So, stay safe and stay happy.
Arey, wait! Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and drop your comments.